guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will talk about how to go Boracay in just 4 steps. Before that, I'm going to show you first how to go inside the jetty port since I'm residents here. At the jetty port, you can see there's a tourist area and the residence area. So in here we will present our ID, QR code, and also vaccinated card. And I also need to get the boat ticket outside the jetty port. So now we will proceed how to go to Boracay if you are a tourist. Step 1. You have to go inside the jetty port and present your screenshot of OHDC, Online Health Declaration Card, QR Code, Philippine Government Issue ID. You also need to buy these 3 tickets, which is terminal fees, environmental fees, and boat ticket. But if you already booked your transfer, you don't need to line up in these 3 windows. You only need to sit and relax. Once you get your ticket, you will proceed at the boat area. Step 2. You need to register first so that you can get your number correspond to your boat seat. Once the boat reaches the passenger capacity, it will start and travel around 5 minutes to Boracay Jetty. Welcome to Boracay Jetty Port. Yes, of course. Don't forget to take souvenir. Taking picture. Check. Step 3. Get the e-trike or multi-cab directly to your hotel. It's about 10 minutes to 30 minutes depending on which station your hotel is. Just enjoy your time. Welcome to Boracay.